Alright, well, I'm back, and here's my new model. Not that I don't, it's not like I needed one, it's just I got one. And I usually don't do this. I usually don't unpackage it in front of the camera. I usually package it, look at it, and so forth and so on. But this one right here is kind of special. I had these old 50s trucks. Back in the day I had a 51 and I had a 53, and I missed those trucks, and there's certain reasons why at this point in my life I can't have one, and I probably never will have another one again. And so what I chose to do is build models of them so I can still participate in it. And what I plan on doing is taking the model itself and building it as if from ground up you are building one of the 50s trucks. So let me go ahead and open this thing up and see what we got. Ooh, look at this. Nice package job. I didn't expect it to be in plastic, but maybe they put a plastic bag around it to, with some plastic around it, because it is an open box. It's supposed to be brand new, but it's an open box. Never throw the boxes away until you've gone through them thoroughly in case some of the parts fall off. Okay, that's what they did. They just took them and put plastic around it because it is an open box, and so none of the parts fall out of it. That's smart. That's what I do when I sell something. Alright. Got this from eBay. Spent a little more than I wanted to on it, but considering the fact that I wanted it, so here we go. It is, I had these exact pickup trucks when I was back a few years back. My family knows what I'm talking about because they were all pretty much present during it. Loved these trucks. I sold them large in part because I lost my arm. It was rough for me to work on. I wish I didn't. I think I still could have. Once I got used to not having an arm, I probably could have continued on doing it. I will have to say that they beat you up when I was driving them. But I still think I could handle it. But here's the box. This is an AMT-ERTL model, skill level 2. We'll see about that. 125 scale, and it's kit number 6437. You see the art on the box, the this is what I'll be going by, but I doubt I'm going to paint it green. Although it's a very nice looking color, but I doubt I'll paint it green. So you got the whole 360 here of the, I think on the bottom, well, no, on the bottom there's nothing. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this up. This is the intro to this model kit. We have, as far as my videos are concerned, you have the rule book, if I can get it into screen. I will closely follow these, but what I plan on doing, and I know this is going to sound ridiculous, but what I plan on doing is breaking out my old manuals that I use to put my, take apart, mostly, and put together my 51 and 53 trucks. So, looks like a nice little book right there to go by. And everything is in sealed packages. So, that looks good. You got the clear plastics right here. So this right here is probably going to be a 5 window cab, maybe. Yeah, it's a 5 window cab. That was my 53. My 53 was a 5 window cab. My 51 was 3 windows. And oh wow, it's in more detail than I actually anticipated. And it's got the visor, which is something I wanted. I didn't know it was going to come with the model. So this is a good surprise. So far, I'm liking it. As a matter of fact, I'm just not liking it. I'm loving it. You got the tires. There's 2 of them. Got more down here. Got a little flashing on these, but I can cut that off. But these are real rubber tires. Interesting. Didn't anticipate that. Thought they were going to be plastic. And the rear backlights right here. This is a very impressive model. I like it. And that is nice. I actually expected, these are the side decals. Or not decals, but on the truck right here. They are right here. I actually thought they would actually be decals, but they're not. They're actually silver plastic pieces. It's going to be difficult to paint those because the letter's got to be black. Very small detail. Let's see what we can get done. And we got a couple license plates, hubcaps. Nice, very nice model. I am impressed. Now, we got decals down in here for license plates. Ah, that's what that is. Okay. So it's gonna be. Try to drop them on the floor, right? So right here, that top one, number 1. What that is it says Thrift Masters, and that goes on the engine block, or technically the I forget what the name of it, but the lid, the valve cover, that's what it is. The valve cover on the so this goes on the valve cover, I think, on the engine. So that is awesome. Well, I mean, I'm talking about really detailed. The engine, you have to put the complete engine together. Very impressive. Okay, well, I'm not going to open the bags just yet. That would be silly at this point. I do have something coming. What's coming in the mail is a some decals that actually go on the dashboard for the gauges. Now the gauges, I don't know if you can see that through the, right there is the dashboard. But the gauges are actually printed in there where you can actually paint them. But I have decals to make sure that that detail comes in really good. This right here has the radio delete in the molded into the dashboard, whereas there are some decals out there that actually has the radio. I'm not interested in making it look like it had a radio. I was never interested in the radio when I had the truck, so I'm not going to do that. So I think this is going to conclude the intro to this. I'm going to start building this almost immediately. I'm still working on the Christopher Joe. I got an Arizona build going on. I have a USS United States build going on and a USS Constitution build going on. And I'm just going to add one more to the mix, which is going to be my Chevy pickup truck. My 1950 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck. I'm more than likely going to address her more like a 51, but I mean, what's the difference between a 51, a 50 and a 51? The style of truck went from 1948 to what, with this particular grill through 53, and maybe even into 54 with that grill, but 54 the grill changed, but basically it was the same truck, and the dashboard changed also in 54. So anyway, this I'm going to build just like a real life pickup truck, but it's going to be a model. So this concludes the intro. Thank you for watching.